the aroma of grilled meat, summer vibes, and good company. Sounds perfect, right? But what if I told you that your favorite barbecue might be harming your health? Today, we're uncovering the hidden risks of barbecuing that could be impacting your body. From dangerous chemicals to food safety, to surprising facts about what grilling does to your health, this video will change the way you think about grilling. Stick around to learn how to enjoy your barbecue safely and healthily. Let's start with the smoke. That delicious aroma you love isn't just flavor, it's filled with harmful substances. Barbecue smoke contains polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, which are linked to cancer. When fat drips onto hot coals or flames, it produces these chemicals, which then coat your food and fill the air around you. Long-term exposure to PAHs has been shown to increase the risk of lung, skin, and bladder cancers. Grilling in open spaces reduces some exposure, but it's not enough if you're barbecuing frequently. Consider taking additional precautions, like trimming excess fat from meat to minimize dripping. Then there's another hidden danger: heterocyclic amines, or HCAs. These are formed when you grill meat at high temperatures. Studies suggest that HCAs can damage DNA, potentially leading to cancer over time. The darker and more charred your meat, the higher the risk. One way to reduce HCA formation is to marinate your meat. Marinades with vinegar, lemon juice, or olive oil can act as a protective barrier, reducing harmful chemicals by up to 90%. Plus, adding spices like rosemary or thyme can have antioxidant properties, further cutting down risks. Grilling isn't just about what you eat, it's also about what you breathe. Inhaling barbecue smoke exposes you to carbon monoxide and fine particulate matter, which can harm your lungs and heart. If children or vulnerable individuals are nearby, the risks are even greater. For those with asthma or other respiratory conditions, even short-term exposure to barbecue smoke can trigger symptoms. Always position your grill downwind and wear a mask if the smoke is heavy. Investing in a grill with better ventilation can also help. Next, let's talk food safety. Cross-contamination is a silent but significant health risk. Raw meat can harbor bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, which can lead to serious food-borne illnesses. Always use separate utensils, cutting boards, and plates for raw and cooked food. Wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw meat, and sanitize surfaces to prevent bacteria from spreading. Cooking meat to the right internal temperature is essential. Here's a quick guide. Cook poultry to 165 degrees, ground meats to 160 degrees, and steaks to at least 145 degrees. Using a food thermometer ensures your food is safe to eat. And don't forget to let your meat rest after grilling to lock in juices and finish cooking evenly. But it's not just meat you need to worry about. Even grilling vegetables can pose risks if they char too much. Burnt bits contain similar, harmful chemicals as grilled meat. To avoid charring, cook vegetables at a lower temperature and flip them frequently. Adding a light coat of oil can also help prevent sticking and burning. Opt for grill baskets to keep smaller veggies from falling into the flames. Alcohol and grilling can be a dangerous combination, not just for fire risks but also for your health. Alcohol impairs judgment, leading to undercooked food or unsafe grilling practices. Limit alcohol consumption while grilling. Designate a sober person to handle the cooking, ensuring everything is prepared safely and thoroughly. Barbecuing doesn't have to be unhealthy or dangerous. With a few simple changes, you can enjoy delicious food without the risks. And remember, alternatives like grilling indoors or baking can offer similar flavors with less risk. Let's recap. Marinate your meat to reduce harmful chemicals, cook at the right temperature, avoid inhaling smoke, and practice proper food safety. Consider grilling alternatives or moderation if you're a frequent barbecue lover. These small steps can make a big difference for your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Let's make grilling a safer, healthier experience for everyone. Happy barbecuing!